Hello everyone, today's video is about Welchline Hillroom's Streak Retinoscope. In this box, we can find the retinoscope case, its charger and user manual. Inside of this charger box, we can find the charger. It is its jack and it is its cable. As we can see, this case contains the handle and the head of the retinoscope, and this is the fixation card. First, let's talk about the handle. As we can see, it has a very premium look and it is sturdy as well. If we open this from here, we can find a battery. We can find its charging point. This is the connecting point where we will connect the head of the retinoscope, and this green button, if we press it and twist it a bit, we can switch on the LED light. Now let's talk about the head of the retinoscope. As we can see, this is the brow rest, and this is the eye view portion from where we can examine the retina. We will talk about this portion later. If we move the retinoscope head, we can find this viewing mirror, LED viewing mirror. Now let's join both of the parts. To turn on the LED light, as I said earlier, we just have to press the screen button and twist it a bit. Now the LED light has been on. Now if we see this button, if we go downwards, as we can see, the light gets darker, and if we go upwards, the light gets lighter. Moving it upwards, it gets lighter, and moving it downwards, it gets darker. With the help of this part, we can thicker or thinner the light. Like if we go downwards, the light gets thicker, and when we go upwards, the light gets thinner. See, when we go downwards, the light gets thicker, and when we go upwards, the lights get thinner. And with the help of the same part, if we rotate it, the light also gets rotated. Now this was all about Welchline Hillroom's Streak Retinoscope. Thank you.